Welcome back to MS Tech. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at a pair of truly wireless earbuds, which honestly, in my opinion, resemble the Apple AirPod Pros very much so. Today we have the Bluedio Particle TWS earbuds. Now let's see what Matt has to say about this.
Hey guys, Matt here. So these earbuds caught my eye because they look phenomenal, they look beautiful, and they're still under 30 bucks. So I figured, why don't we try them out and see how they actually are? So with that, back to you, Tech Barn.
Thanks, Matt. So let's start off with the unboxing of these TWS earbuds. As you can see, it's a very simple unboxing. Right off the bat, see the earbuds themselves and the charging case. You open up the plastic case and you have the earbuds, the charging case, and you also have a manual, which underneath that, you have some ear tips, and what surprised me was a USB-C cable. So let's start off with the design of the earbud case itself. It is a matte black finish, and on the top you have the Bluedio logo. On the back, you have the USB Type-C charging port, accented with gold.
Personally, I really like the gold accents combined with the matte black finish. And one thing that really surprised me is the fact that the charging case actually uses USB-C. I'd like to see that.
I couldn't agree with you more, Matt. Because usually when it comes to TWS and the cheaper side of these earbuds, you don't ever tend to see them come with a USB Type-C charging port. They're usually almost all micro USB because all the companies cheap out. But to see that Bluedio did this, it's honestly pretty impressive. Now there's also an LED light indicator on the front of the case, which is, in my opinion, a really nice touch. It's sleek, it's subtle, but it also indicates whether the earbuds are charging, or they're dead. So one thing that's pretty important to me is opening and closing your case. And when it came to these TWS earbuds, I can say that the case is very satisfying. Here's a quick sound test to let you know what it sounds like. When it came to the hinge quality, I can say that these ones I feel like would last a good amount of time. Now obviously it's not built with the best quality, but these ones do feel pretty durable in a sense that even if they are bent, damaged, hit, whatever, it's still going to be able to survive. But again, it doesn't give me that assurance such as AirPods do when it comes to their hinges. Now when it came to the design of the earbuds themselves, they are pretty small. And in that sense, that's something I really like. I really like having a pair of truly wireless earbuds that feel nice and comfy in my ear while not having too big of a footprint, and these ones do exactly just that. On these earbuds, as you can see yourself, they do have a golden black accent. In my opinion, is a nice finish. At start, I did not like the gold accents that much when I saw it on Amazon, but when I saw it in person, it's actually quite a nice touch, and it differentiates them from all the other knockoff truly wireless earbuds that are all fully black. Now, when it came to my experiences using these earbuds, that is where it gets a bit interesting. Personally, I'm someone who loves my bass, and I have to say that unfortunately, these headphones do not deliver that well when it comes to bass quality. I don't get many bass. It's more so, like I've said before in the past with these earbuds, I can hear it, but I can't feel it. Because feeling the bass is something that's very important to me, and unfortunately, these do not deliver on that part. When it comes to listening to your highs, this is where these earbuds do well. And the sound quality isn't that bad. You still get good audio, but I will say that at times it does sound a bit tingy when your phone gets a bit further from the earbuds, but that's a connection issue. When it came to wearing these earbuds on a daily, I have to say that they weren't too bad, honestly. They kind of surprised me for $25. For $25, I got a solid pair of earbuds, which when I put in my ear, they stood there pretty fine. Even when I was running, playing basketball, they didn't fall out. You get 6 hours of battery life per charge. And the case is able to hold 4 charges, meaning you have a total of 26 hours of battery life when it comes to listening to these earbuds. And to recharge the case again, it only takes 2 hours to fully charge it, which is quite surprising. But again, I'm very impressed with the USB Type-C charging output. Now, another function that these earbuds have is that you can play, pause, forward, rewind, turn the earbuds on and off, answer and decline calls, all via buttons on the side of these earbuds. Again, that's more so standard nowadays when it comes to truly wireless earbuds, but it's a good thing that these have them. Now, another cool feature that these earbuds have, which I did not expect at all for them to have at $25, is the fact that when you take them out of your ear, they pause your music, and when you put them back, it continues to play your music. Now, this is a feature that you usually tend to see on AirPods or other higher-end truly wireless earbuds, which I was very surprised to see on these. But after playing around with it for a little bit, I do have to say I'm a little bit disappointed at the fact that they don't work that well. Sometimes they'll pause randomly, other times, even when it's out of my ear, the music will start again. And I guess that's what you get for $25, but the fact that the feature is still there, it's pretty cool in my opinion. Now overall, what do I think of these earbuds? I think that for $25, you're getting a really solid pair of truly wireless earbuds. The design of these is very, very good. I'm very happy with it. I love the gold accents, which is something I didn't think I would like, but it turns out that in some sense, it actually completes the look. The case of these earbuds I also like a lot. I really like the LED light indicator, as well as how easy it is to close and open the case. I also like that the case is USB Type-C. That is not something you see nowadays when it comes to the cheaper earbuds, and that's something I really like. The earbuds themselves, they're very good when you're listening to them casually, but when it comes to bass, there's not that much there. So if bass doesn't really matter to you and you mostly care about just listening to music casually and having a pair of stylish truly wireless earbuds, honestly, for $25, you can't go wrong. So if you're looking for some truly wireless earbuds, these should definitely be an option to consider. Thanks for watching. If you stuck around till the end, a like and subscribe is greatly appreciated. It honestly means the world to us and it helps us out a bunch. This has been MS Tech, and as always, stay classy.